However, the first thing, team, that I want to have a very quick conversation with you about, and that is actually understanding where all of these marketing software tools, you know, kit caboodle, where does it actually sit inside your overarching marketing strategy? So if you are going to consider doing chatbots as part of your messenger marketing and as part of your lead generation strategy, then theoretically, where does it actually sit in the bigger picture of what you're attempting to do? And one element I always talk about, and that is the marketing blueprint, and understanding that there are 4 components that make up the marketing blueprint: lead generation, nurture journey, prospect experience, and sales conversion. So fundamentally, when we're looking at chatbots, they are primarily part of that lead generation, as included in your social media strategies. However, there's also a secondary element which chatbots can be used for, and that's also for customer retention.